In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste design formatting in PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself facing the task of making multiple slides look consistent without starting from scratch each time, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the seamless process of copying and pasting design formats, making your slides look uniform and professionally polished in just a few simple steps. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer, launch the application as you normally would, and then open the specific presentation that you want to work on. Once you've got your presentation open, locate the text box whose design you wish to replicate. This could be any text element that you've already styled to your liking in terms of font, size, color, or any other formatting detail. Next, make sure the text is selected. You can simply click on the text box to highlight the text inside, ensuring that the format you want to copy is clearly selected. Now direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window and click on the Home tab. This tab hosts a variety of formatting tools that you'll find useful for everyday tasks, and today it's where you'll find the magic tool for our task, the Format Painter. While you're in the Home tab, look towards the left-hand side of the ribbon where you'll spot the Clipboard section. Here, locate the little icon that's shaped like a paintbrush. This is the Format Painter, and it's going to be your best friend right now. Click on the paintbrush icon to copy the format. What this does is it copies all of the formatting details and styles from the selected text that you want to apply elsewhere. Now this may sound too simple, but believe me, this versatile tool can save you minutes if not hours during a lengthy slide update session. Once you've clicked on the Format Painter, navigate to the text box where you want to paste these formatting details. This could be on the same slide or on a different one. Identify the text box where you want to apply the copied formatting. Now click inside to highlight the specific text that needs the updated design. With your target text highlighted, you should notice that the format you desired to keep consistent is now applied, giving your presentation the cohesive look you aimed for. There you have it, a straightforward, effective way to ensure your PowerPoint presentation maintains a consistent and professional appearance. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll find that using the Format Painter becomes second nature, whether you're preparing a business report or sprucing up a school project. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to look out for more helpful tips to boost your presentation skills.